What's up, crew? Welcome back to the channel. This is Chaz with Side Hustle Network. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and use your eBay voucher to get supplies. So when you have an eBay store subscription, depending on the tier that you are subscribed to, you will actually get a voucher that is given to you per quarter. Some are going to be for the $25 voucher, others are going to be at the $50, and then others are going to be more than that. So you can use these vouchers every single quarter to essentially get free supplies since you are paying for that subscription for your store anyways. You can get boxes, poly mailers, tape, etc. We're good on boxes and all the other supplies, so this is exactly how we use that voucher to get all of our free eBay tape. So with that being said, let's dive behind the computer, show you exactly how to do it. Very simple process, but a lot of people don't know where to click to actually find your voucher for this stuff. All right, so like I said, it's going to be a very simple process. From your main eBay dashboard, just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom left under Manage Store. Once you are in Manage Store, simply go to Subscriber Discounts. Then on this tab right here, eBay Shipping Supplies. Right here is going to be your coupon code, and a reminder that you only get this coupon code once per quarter, and if you don't use it, you will lose it. So you can see this one expires September 30th, 2019, which is actually in just 9 days. So I'm going to use this right now. Copy your code, hit Start Shopping. You can go through and start selecting all kinds of different options depending on what type of supplies that you use most. Like I said earlier, we are good on boxes and all that stuff, so we usually just go into the tape right here. And our personal voucher is $50, so I'm going to go down to here. 36 rolls of tape is what I'm going to go for, which is $45. I'm going to hit Buy It Now, Commit to Buy. And on the bottom of the payment page, you are going to see that it actually saw that you have a coupon to use. So you can either enter the code or just hit apply that coupon right there. Then all you will do is hit confirm and pay, and there are $0 going to be charged to you. And that's literally all there is to it. So hopefully if you did not know that you have that coupon code if you are subscribed to an actual store, now you know exactly where to find it, how to use it. So go ahead and utilize that to your advantage. And remember, it is every single quarter. So use it before you lose it. This has been Chaz with Side Hustle Network. Have a great day, guys.